to walking with you.
Dong, tara mo module dong. Oh, ikaw nalay wala nakapasok. Ikaw nalay walay grado sa akong class record.
140 mo?
Dili, one whole.
Pass na lagi Timothy, oy.
Pass next week, ha?
We have come to learn mathematics, the subject that deals with multiple angle functions and their applications to calculations.
Go. G for geometry, M for number theory, A for arithmetic. Starting with geometry lessons.
Circles, angles,
Polygons, planes, lines, and points.
Next, isonometry, study of the integers, finding common factors, prime numbers such as no positive divisors, structure of mathematics. Last is arithmetic, addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers, multiplication, multiplying factors, division, dividend, divided by divisor.
Inananda din eh. Tara mama.
Sure ka, wala mo gi-chat GPT?
Wala ma.
Sabot yun ka.
Yes ma'am.
O sige ka, lakaw na dito ka.
Thank you ma'am.